Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Thanks for visiting my craft room. Today I am sharing a Happy Mail swap that I was in with Elizabeth over at the Crafty Cricket. I will link her channel down below. We swapped a bunch of crafty items. I will link what I sent her up above here in the video, and let's dive into the amazing package that she sent to me. The only thing that I have done is I opened up the package and took the supplies out of the box and opened up the card. This is the card she sent me, and she wrote me a sweet note on the inside. Thank you, Elizabeth. First stack of goodies is this large stack of stickers. There's tons of planner stickers and all sorts of goodies in this pile. I love putting stickers in my daily journal, so these will be used, and any stickers that I don't use I will just pass along to my next set of swap partners. These are cute. I actually have this stamp set. Yeah, so a great variety of stickers here. These are super fun. I love those. Really cute stickers there, some large ones. So there we go. Ooh, I like clear stickers. Those are fun. Thank you, Elizabeth, for sharing all of these with me. They're super cute, and I can't wait to start using them. These are pretty. Lots of fun ones there, and I'm definitely going to have a good time, like, sorting through these and deciding where I'm going to keep them and what projects I would use them on. So that's a stack of stickers. And next she sent me this envelope sleeve, and inside, let's take a look. We have some white flat envelopes. This is perfect for Happy Mail as well as junk journaling. And then we have some self-laminating cards. And I'm not actually sure what these are. They look interesting. This looks like we have a mini happy planner with this super cute girl on there. And look at how cute these little notebook papers are. And I have a ton of rings, so I can just ring this up. And she's so cute. Thank you for that little notebook. Large clear envelope sleeve. And it looks like lots of goodies on the inside. So we have these pretty napkins. And I've never actually made a project using napkins, so I will put those like in my junk journaling supplies. And then this looks like a large pile of all fun ephemera, tags. Ooh, I'm going to have a lot of fun sorting and deciding where these ephemera pieces are going to go. Lots of cute goodies here. I love ephemera, and oh, look at how cute that is. Owls. I'm going to pull one of those. I have a little owl supply on the side to share with someone that said that they liked owls. I love these boxes, and all these tags are so pretty. Big banner, and tons of goodies in this pile. Ooh, I love these. These are big journaling cards. These are fun, and I just recently cleaned out my cart, and these will be going right on top for me to be able to write notes on. Have a nice stack of these pretty ones. Very fun. Lots of goodies in here. These are a bunch of laminated. I have a paper pad that matches that. Cute. Lots of good tags. And then we have some doilies. And I have a special box just for doilies that I'll be putting these into. Wish I would remember to use these more. And then looks like we have some vintage stuff, which is my absolute favorite. I love this stuff. I love the vintagey stuff and all these cool cards, tickets. Ooh, that's cute. Little journal cards is another one, a ticket. And then we have an old book page. Yeah, I really like all of this stuff. Some fabric. And then we have some clear bookmarks that you can put like patterned paper down in. And fabric. Large tags. Look at these cool ephemera pieces. I love those. I'm actually probably going to hang that up on my wall. These cool cards. They're pretty. I love tickets. Oh, Elizabeth, thank you so much for sharing these. I absolutely love this collection of vintage. This is amazing supplies. Some music paper, and wow, look at the size of this amazing tag. That is awesome. Elizabeth, thank you so much for sharing all of these amazing pieces of ephemera. I cannot wait to go through and sort and organize all of these supplies into my stash. They are beautiful, and it will be very fun to use these in my projects. Thank you so much. Let's see. Okay, so she shared this new silver Park Lane paper pad with me, Christmas stamp set. She also sent this notebook with the lined paper. She sent this super cute pencil case with the avocados. I did not pick any of this stuff up at my dollar store. I did see some of these, but I didn't actually pick any up. He's so cute. And then we have the Post-it notes, and I will have a video going up very soon. I organized all of my Post-it notes, and this is going to fit perfectly in my new organized space. Look at how fun these are. I didn't get any of these supplies. I love this. I love strawberries. These are so cute and fun. And the clips. Thank you so much for these supplies. I love them so much. You know I'm going to hoard them forever, right? It's what I do best. All right, so put those in there. Thank you so much for those. Have these really cute socks. They say squeeze the day, and they have little oranges on them, and they're totally adorable. I will be wearing these as well. She sent me the dollar store plastic box that I was not able to find in any of my dollar stores, so it's stuffed full of goodies. Let's take a look to see what's inside. We have this Bow Bunny stamp set, and I do not have this one. Thank you for that. And oh, I like these, the Wanderlust and the camping. I am a huge camper, the camper van, and I love these stamps. These will go perfect in my travel junk journals. And these are rub-ons. These are awesome. We have some picks. These are flowers and the butterflies. Those are pretty. Ooh, and then we have this cute stamp set, and it's Christmas version. Says Holly Jolly, has that cute little snowman. Very cute. I don't think I have this one either. Rub-ons. These are very pretty. We have some golden books, and these are great for journaling. Thank you for that. And here's another one. I love that this is Christmas themed. Oh, this makes me want to like pull out all my junk journaling supplies, which has been on my list of things to do forever. This is so cute. Have some papers. These are fall themed, and I love them so much. This looks like from a 6x8 set. These are very fun. And then we have some fall themed stickers. These are super cute. We have some ephemera, more ephemera, and more stickers. That's cute paper. this large list. Look at how cute these are. These are like boxes. How fun are these? That's so cute. Adorable. We'll hoard this forever as well. You know I will. These are cute thermoses. So many fun goodies in here. I love these pumpkins. Very cute. We have a little fall bag. Sent me the pink pumpkins from the dollar store. I have never, ever seen any of these stickers in my dollar store, and I probably have $6 stores within a couple miles of my house, and I've never been able to find them. So thank you so much for sending me these. They're so pretty. I love the colors. So fun. Some picks and flowers in a box. And we have these cute stickers and this cute owl and fall sticker set. And we have a stamp, Leaves Are Falling, some trim pieces, fall gift bag, and some more of these cards, the Halloween, and some embossed bags. Cute. In here we have this fun pick, a spider web, lots of goodies in here, handmade shaker embellishments, and a Halloween napkin. I'm gonna have fun sorting and organizing all of this too. This is an envelope. Happy Halloween. Lots of cute ephemera. Handmade embellishments. Those are cool. Wonder what these are. Are these like game pieces? They're fun. Then we have some stamps. We have Spooky Halloween and the candy corn. We have a clip. And then we have some stickers. Ephemera pieces. I love Halloween. So cute. And then this is a giant tag. Let's see. And then this is a stamp. Oh, these are pumpkins. That is cute. Lots more ephemera. Super spooky cuteness here. Little ATC card. Lots more miscellaneous goodies down there. This was such a fun box, Elizabeth. I cannot wait till I have time to go through all of this and sort and organize and fit it into my stash. Next week will be the middle of my cross-country season. It has been, let me tell you, it has been a season like no other. I definitely have not had any time in my craft room. I barely have time to watch videos. I have a bunch of pre-planned videos that I just had pre-scheduled for like at least once a week, and I'm so glad that I did that because I haven't been able to spend any time in my craft room. I miss it so much. Craft room is a disaster right now. Cannot wait to have like time. It will be like mid-November, and then I will be back in my craft room on a regular basis. Elizabeth, thank you so much for swapping with me. I always enjoy your swaps. We seem to really have a groove going with what we send each other. I love everything that you send, and I hope you feel the same about what I've sent to you. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in my craft room. I hope you guys all have a great day. Bye.